Let f is a function defined, this is vector function, and say with the curve of intersection of the plane z equal to x plus 4 and cylinder x square plus y square is 4 oriented counterclockwise, then the value of this closed integral f dot dr is. So function is given, also curve of intersection means closed curve is given as x square plus y square is 4. This is the equation of cylinder. So radius is 2. This is r. So parameterize this curve. After parameterize, I can write x equal to 2 cos theta as a cos theta, value of a or r cos theta. So radius is 2. So cos t, y equal to, in terms of t you can write in terms of theta, 2 sine t, and z is given x plus 4, so it will be 2 cos t plus 4. Now position vector r is given x I hat plus y j hat plus z k hat. So dr upon dt, because of parameterize, so it will be x is 2 cos t I hat plus y 2 sin t plus z 2 cos t plus 4, 2 cos t plus 4 j hat k hat respective, and we need to take its integration with respect to t, not integration, differentiation. So it will be minus 2 sin t I hat plus 2 cos t j hat plus, so minus 2 sin t k hat, because of derivative of cos is negative. So we have to find this f dot dr. This one can be written as over c f dot dr over dt, this. So find this parameterized integral. So it will be, as the limit is from 0 to 2 pi because of cylinder, so limit will be 0 to 2 pi. You can use it directly. So 2, as z function f is given, function f was, you can see 2z I hat plus 4x j hat plus 5y k hat. So use xyz in parameterized form. So it will be 2 cos t plus 4 I hat plus 4 into 2 cos t j hat plus 5 2 is 10, so 10 sin t k hat. This is f, and we need to take dot product with dr over dt. So minus 2 as we already calculated, so you can see in equation 1. So minus sin t I hat plus 2 cos t j hat minus 2 sin t k hat, and integrate with respect to t. So we have to take dot product of these two. So I hat, I with I, j with j, and k with k. So there will be two terms we will obtain from I, means I containing term. So it will be 2 2 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. So minus 8 sin t cos t minus 4 2 is 8 and 16. So 16 sin t plus 16 cos square t This is obtained from j hat term, and with k hat term minus 20 sine square t dt. So we have this one 0 to 2 pi, limit is running from. As we not directly know the integration of sine square or cos square, so one of them we need to replace. So replace this one, as sine square can be written as 1 minus cos square t. So we will obtain from this, and minus 20 is outside, so 20 minus 20 plus 20 cos square t will be another terms. So this one can be written as 0 to 2 pi, and this is, you can use 2 sine a cos b formula. So it can be written as minus 4 sine 2t. Take half of this, so minus 4 sine 2t, sine 2t minus 16 sine t, 16 sine t plus 16 cos square t, or you can write in place of cos square. How to use cos square? 1 plus 1 plus cos 2t, as cos 2a can be written as 2 cos square a plus 1, or in terms of theta, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta plus 1. So I need to write cos square. So cos square theta will be, negative sign is there, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2. It is okay. Now, so 16. So I need to divide it by 2 here, minus 20 plus 20 cos square t. Again we have to write this one. So take half of 20. So half of 20 will be 10, and I can write 1 plus cos 2t. So combine these two terms, 8 from here, because of this one cancel out 8. So 8 and 10, 18. So directly you can use 18 plus 18 cos 2t, 18 cos 2t cos 2t minus 20. So we have write all these terms, and the remaining terms are minus 4 sine 2t minus 16 sine t, and take integration from 0 to 2 pi, and need to integrate with respect to t. So this is nothing, only calculation part you can do better than me. 0 to 2 pi, and this is minus 4 sine 2t minus 16 sine t, and combine these two. So minus 16 sine t plus 18 cos 2t and minus 2. Now directly apply integration here. So from first term cos 2t and divided by 2. So we will obtain to write 2 here, and take limit from 0 to 2 pi, and from this one integration of sin is cos, so positive, cos t, and limit is from 0 to 2 pi, again 18, and divided by 2. uh, Integration of cos is sin 2t, and already taken 2, so 0 to 2 pi, and this one will be 2t from 0 to 2 pi. Now use limit. So this one is equal to 2 cos 4 pi, cos 4 pi. So what will be the value of cos 4 pi? This is graph of cos function. This is 2 pi, 3 pi, 2 pi, 3, 4 means 1. So 1 minus 0, 0 from lower limit, plus 16 cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1. So 16, 1 minus 0, sorry, 1 minus 1 because of lower limit, plus 9. Sin 2 pi is 0. So 0 minus 0, minus 2 is 4. Directly use 4 pi from last term, this one. So we have 2, because of 0 lower limit, here will be 0. So 0 plus this term is again 0. This is 0. So minus 4 pi. After putting the value of pi, we will obtain a numeric value. So this problem is numerical answer type. It seems as lengthy because of calculation part, and I'm explaining you. So it took more time generally